What's up, everybody? Just figured I'd make a quick how-to video. I keep getting these clicking sounds on a PS5 controller while playing GTA Online. It's massively annoying, and I think I found the fix for it. You simply hit Start, you hit R1, over to Settings, you hit Controls, and you go down to Adaptive Triggers and make sure that is turned off. Once I did, the clicking went away. The sound was coming through the speaker on the controller. Of course, you can turn this off in the in-game settings here on GTA Online, or from the PS5 settings if you want to disable it for all games. Of course, this means you won't get the adaptive trigger resistance on your triggers anymore, so it's up to you. But this really helped me. So if this helps you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in more stuff. Happy gaming, everybody.